peeps, and welcome to the part 2 of our book bundler unboxing for July. Wow, my birthday's this month. Exciting! Okay, so this one is the Toddler Preschool bundle of 50 books, which I couldn't help myself. Okay, it's buy one get one half off time, and it was such a cool mixture. So it includes 10 phonics books, 5 small hardcover, 5 small hardcover, but they're like all medium, 20 large paperbacks, and 10 board books. Now we were going to go all board books, but my little is getting to the point where we're going through books faster and faster as we're reading longer and longer books, and just having a lot of fun with it. So then this age range is appropriate for ages 0 through 5. And because we do seem to buy a lot of books, both for our personal life as well as for teaching and educating, I still end up getting a couple of repeats. So if you are in our group or you're watching this in group, some of these are going to end up in our donation bin. So let me know if you need books, if you want books, you want to swap books, let me know and we will send some out to you. All right? I'm excited to get started. I am so excited. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to open up all the bags and then I'm going to show you each one that came in. All right? All right, so to start with our phonics section, we have SpongeBob SquarePants, I Saw It All, a level 2 book. And this one's pretty neat. It has ah sounds throughout it, so you'll have a little placard on the back to tell you what kind of sounds we're going to be working on. Next, we have Scooby-Doo, What's Mine is Yours. And we're going to be learning about possessives. I Can Fly, which is perfect for emergent readers. It's also got beautiful illustrations. I love watercolor in books. We have Paw Patrol Speedy Pups, learning about long E's and blends. It's so tiny. That was a really good travel book, I think. Sight Word Stories. Ooh, this is a very short book. That would be really good for readers that are just starting to read on their own and might need some help, some support, or just some, what's the word I'm thinking? I'm not certain. Skip it. All right, we have got Peppa Pig Phonics, Mummy Pig's Good Luck. I don't actually watch Peppa Pig. I heard that she's rude, but I'm not certain. But it includes sight words and short U words. I Spy Phonics Fun Riddles, talking about V and W. That's such a neat topic. We talk a lot about blends and the different sounds, but using letters that we don't see, more blueberries. Using letters we don't see a lot is pretty cool. So we have La La Loopsy Pick Me Up Basket. It's a little mushed. It's a little mushed. So again, it's got some the practice words in bold, which is pretty neat. No, thank you. You eat them. Toy Story 3, No Place Like Home. Learning about long O's. Home. Houghton Mifflin, Decodable Text. The Phonics Library. That's interesting. Oh, it's got lots of short stories on the inside. That will be so helpful. All right, next we have small hardcovers. So The Little Engine That Could, which is such a cute story, but also some of the creepiest graphics, I think. I think some of them are so beautiful. I don't know why. There has to be the creepy clown, though. I don't know. Sherlock Chick and the Peekaboo Mystery. I'm already in love. I've never heard of it, and I'm in love with it now. Lammy Lamb. Let's see. Those are kind of cool. Why do pigs roll in the mud, and other questions kids ask about mammals big and small? I love the question books. They are so fun. They are definitely one that kids will need some help with. They are wordy, but if you do like a question of the day or a classroom intro question, they are so fun. All right, I'm a big brother. We keep getting at least once in order. We get at least one I'm a big brother or sister books, so we'll have to trade off for that one. All right, now we have the second of the small hardcovers, the kind of medium-sized ones. And we have Bella's Big Move. I like the graphics. I love the almost Waldorf doll style. They're very pretty, very well composed. Oh, and it teaches about manners. That's really lovely. The Runaway Bunny. The Snowman Storybook. Printed on super sturdy pages. Oh, they feel super sturdy. Check that out. Got lovely color pencil illustrations. The Minnie and Me Gold Star Homework. I remember having the Minnie and Me cards. And I Love You Forever, which I used to think was the cutest story, and I read it as a grown-up and I was like, this is a little creepy in places, like the mom on the ladder outside the window. That's all right. And next we have board books. So we have Gingerbread Joy, a mini Mary book, and it's got some cute sparkles, like a foil, not glitter. That's really cute. Yeah.
Tiny circles.
Tiny circles. And we have Tinkerbell's Autumn Magic. I love it when there are seasonal books that aren't tied to a particular religion. The Belly Button book. Oh, how funny.
My ear, and my
Oh,
ear.
that's cute. And we have Baby Mickey's Nap. And When I'm Big, and you'll notice it is from the same artist that does I Guess How Much I Love You. They are part of a series now, so you can stay with their family. I think they have a colors book too. I don't have that one. And a Bubble Guppies. It says it's a lift flap book. That should be fun as more of an active book. And it's all about hide and go seek. And last for the board books is Brown Bear, What Do You See? Which is obviously a classic. There is Dress Up Time. I swear I have definitely seen Bubbles, which is a Sesame Street book. And Eric Carle's My Very First Book of Numbers. Oh, I was not anticipating that one. You find the number and then you actually find the picture that works with them. So that's kind of a puzzle, huh? And finally, we have 20 paperbacks, which I'm so glad I saw this one on the top. One thing I'm loving about more of the newer books is that we're finally getting inclusive art and characters. If you've noticed, there's not a whole lot, especially in the older books. So definitely so happy that they're including more, and they need to keep going. They need to really, really keep going with that. We have the Berenstain Bears, Get the Gimmies, which looks all about tantruming. Oh dear. Stand Tall, Molly Lou Melon. Oh, cute! I'm loving that. That's adorable, actually. So it's all about a girl that's very, very short. I like it. How to Catch an Elf. Interesting. There does tend to be a lot of Christmas type books, so not my favorite. Silverlicious. It's cute. Or, oh yeah. I was like, I thought it was Pinkalicious, but no, there's different books in the series. Now we've got Silverlicious. See, we have a second Love You Forever. Again, creepy. It's like it doesn't want to let you go. But there we go. T is for Turkey, a true Thanksgiving story. Oh. I think that there are sometimes books that don't get to be donated or brought to the classroom. We'll take a closer look at that. Anyway, I don't want to take a bath. Cute tiger book. It's actually really beautiful artwork. Do recommend. Will Moses, Mary and Her Little Lamb, the true story of the famous nursery rhyme. That's really beautiful artwork, actually. Yeah, I'm not sure how well it would transfer over. Next, we have Flashing Fire Engines. The Biggest Snowball Ever. SpongeBob's The Great Escape. R is for Raccoon, a Northwoods alphabet book. That's fun. That's fun. Richard Scarry's Busy Workers. Interesting. They've got a lot of cool jobs about that one. The Night Before Christmas. That one's kind of a funny style. You like it? Tonka, full strength, driving force. Tremendous tractor trailers, heavy-duty bulldozers, muscular forklifts, and intense evacuators. Not sure if we call them muscular, but we'll rock it. Is everyone ready for fun? Fun-loving cows, we're in trouble. This one sounds like it's going to be a silly one. Down by the cool of the pool. This one here is really fun. I've done this one with my reading groups. It's a hoot and a half. Simon in the Summer. So this is always part of a whole series. It's a little interesting, kind of cool. And last but not least, Russell and the Lost Treasure. Best-selling author of Russell the Sheep. So Russell the Sheep is off to do something exciting. So that's all I have for y'all today. That was 50 books. Quite a good variety of different styles. And I'm excited to kind of go through them a little bit closer, pick out which ones are going to stay home, which ones are going to go to school, and which ones are going to go to you. Okay? I love you all so much. Bye-bye!